What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I've just brought a new part for the van. I've brought one of these Brodit phone holders. So I'm going to show you how to install it and give a review on it. So yeah, here we go. Basically, you got like these two little tabs, top and bottom, and they just clip in this little mount here. So they give you double-sided tape on the top and bottom. So all you have to do is they give you this little wipe. So give the two surfaces a little bit of a wipe off, and then pull the blue film off, then pop her in. Okay, so now that that's clean, I'll just let that dry off. Brodit mounts, you have to buy the thing to fit your car. So I've bought this one for a Transit Custom. And then, whatever phone you've got, you buy the holder. So, let me get this out of here. So then you buy the holder as well. So then that basically just screws onto there. So you need this part for whatever phone you got. Then you need this part for whatever vehicle you've got. So right, so now that that's dried, I'm going to go ahead, try and peel these off. It's a little bit tricky with one hand. Okay, so that's the first one. And that's the second one off. So basically, they've got little hooks on. So it's a little bit tricky. Oh, okay, so hook your top part in and then push down like he says. Right then guys, so now that that's on, what you have to do is grab your phone holder, undo that screw right in the middle there, then just screw this part here to wherever you want it on the mount, and then yeah, put your screw back in and we'll put it back together. Right, let's try and do this. It's a little bit tricky with one hand, so bear with me. So now what you do is just find where you want to stick this on your holder. So I don't know if it goes like that. Yeah, it's going to be like that, isn't it? So yeah, I'm going to screw that on now. I'll try and set this phone up a little bit better. It's a little bit tricky. I'm going to have to hold it. Bear with me. That's the first one in. What I'm going to do is I'm going to just pause the video here. You all get the idea. Put your 4 screws in, tighten it down, and then I'll show you the next part. Tighten up this centre screw here. Again, a little bit tricky with one hand. Don't want to cross thread. Okay, so now that that's on, that's your mount all done. So yeah, it's really good quality, to be fair. It is a little bit expensive, but you pay for what you get. Cheap ain't good, good ain't cheap. So I'm very happy with it. It fits well, it's solid. no vibrations really, so I'm going to use it now and I'll see how we get on. Guys, that's a wrap. I'm very happy with the product. Very good, to be honest. It fits perfect. Again, you'd buy a cheap one from Tesco for £7-8, and months down the line it breaks, and then you end up buying another one, and you go down the road and the rattle and you can't really see the screen. But this mount, it's perfect, honestly. Well worth the money. I'd recommend it to anyone, and the fact that they do unique ones for every single car just makes it all that bit much better. Yeah, I'm very happy.